Hi everyone, this is Yo J Mad from basically just here in my brother's room. So I'm here to talk about love life. So basically, love is the how do you call it? Uh, how do you call it this day? What? Okay. So love is basically just two people fall in love with each other, either man or woman, woman to woman, or man to man. So basically, I've seen this day, people are too obsessed to, actually too obsessed to love. I mean, seriously, the man is just going to the bathroom, and you will not allow him. Same with the girls. Man, girls are just going out with girlfriends, and you're just thinking, wow, there's another man. Stop thinking negativity to your relationships. So you always have to have trust. So you have to the five important things to love life. Ooh, look at that. So number one was, like I said, was trust. You need to trust each other. There's no falter to that. That is the most basic and number one rule. Number two, you have to have commitment. You don't have to. You have to. It means that you cannot go to other people just because you're bored to their relationship and not text them at all. Like for last time, you're just gonna text them when you need them, or the one you're really in love to doesn't text you. So it's like that. Yes, I'm going through stuff that really hurt. So anyway, number three is don't be the overly attached boyfriend or girlfriend. Being that is like being an obsessed monkey. That was my cousin. Please do not dancing him. It is part of the video, I think. So anyway, like I said, don't be the overly attached boyfriend, girlfriend thing. I have friends that are overly attached. I mean, he can't have any friends at all. It's not so bad to have friends. No, it's not. So anyway, number four is having having what do you call this? Having faith in the relationship, and no, so far, don't get angry to each other. In a relationship, it's part of life that you actually fight. It's normal, but too much fighting. I mean, every day for the rest of the month. I mean, what is that? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You fight. That's not natural. And just go up and so anyway. Number five, the most final and least important is try to see to it that you will always be there for your loved one, no matter what. Because you're falling in love with someone and then suddenly you don't talk to him or her for 9 months because you fall in love for someone else and just yeah, I'm going through stuff. So anyway, that's my tip to lovers around the world. So please follow me on my blog, YoJMad, at Twitter, YoJMad, that same name, YoJMad, and on Tumblr, YoJMad, and Facebook. Bye!